The connection between gospel music and traditional hymns. From the quiet pews of early worship to the electrifying sounds of gospel choirs, traditional hymns and gospel music are deeply intertwined. But how did these sacred sounds influence each other? Today we are going to explore the powerful connection between traditional hymns and gospel music and how they contribute to shape worship across cultures. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Timeless Hymns and Worship. I am Mariana Makhiti, your host in this epic episode. Make sure that if it is your first time, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Now, let us proceed with the video. Oh, sorry. It seems like my phone. There are messages that are going from my phone. Or let me just switch this phone. I don't want something to be disturbing me while I'm shooting this video. Let me just put it on silent mode. Now, the open reflection, that is shared rules of the worship, whether it is simplicity of amazing grace or the soul-stirring energy of happy day. Both hymns. This tripod is starting again. It is giving me tantrums again. Let me just place it on the right direction. Yes. Now, I was saying that whether it is the simplicity of amazing grace or the soul-stirring energy of oh happy day, both hymns and gospel songs share one powerful purpose: to connect us with God. These forms of music remind us of our hope, our faith, and spiritual journey although they differ in style and expression. My tooth is aching. If you know a medicine or motive which can heal an aching tooth, man, please make sure that you comment below this video and recommend something because my tooth, man. Anyway, let us proceed with the video. Then the traditional hymns emerged as poetic prayers set to music, often with structured solemn tones. Gospel music, man, on the other hand, grew from a more improvisational, emotional expression of faith. Yet, their connections run through deeper than you can think. Hymns as the foundation of gospel music. Traditional hymns provided the foundation for gospel music. In the 18th and 19th centuries, hymns like Rock of Ages and many others, they are the ones which were mostly sung in churches. So